Assalamualaikum. This is me Samra Safdar and welcome to my YouTube channel Samra Safdar Official. So I'll also welcome to another video and the most demanding video. So finally आज मैं hostel review record करने जा रही हूँ and hope so you will be like it. So finally start with Bismillah and this is my hostel overview. ये old hostel and new hostel both buildings हैं. This one is our park and this one is new hostel where I'm living here and all new students are in this hostel. So let's move inside and see what's inside it and what are facilities available. So welcome to my hostel Asma binte Abi Bakar and so see this is our first एंट्रेंस और ये हमारे यूएई के जो बड़े ग्रेट शेख ज़ैयद हैं फाउंडर जिसको कह सकते हैं वो हैं और ये कुछ हमारे कल्चरल थिंग्स लगी हुई हैं एंड दिस वन इज़ डेकोरेशन फॉर ग्रेजुएशन जो स्टूडेंट्स मई कैंड पे ग्रेजुएट हो रही हैं और ये मैम का डेस्क है और इसके राइट साइड पे मैम के ऑफिस वगैरह भी हैं बट आई एम नॉट गोइंग दैट साइड आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू शो यू द फैसिलिटीज़ आर अवेलेबल हेयर सो दिस वन इज़ आवर जिम फर्स्ट वन सो यू वांट टू सी जिम जो डाइट कॉन्शियस है उनके लिए बेहतरीन है but I think I don't need it. So you can see here there are so many things for your exercise and everything, but I like natural things. I don't want this. So you can see just सो आउटसाइड ऑफ जिम देर इज़ आवर लॉन्ड्री रूम जहाँ हम लोग अपने कपड़े वॉश और ड्राई करते हैं देर ऑल आर वॉशिंग एंड ड्रायर मशीन यू विल बी पे 1 dirham for your whole weekend laundry and they will be wash and dry everything okay and same available also on the upstairs as it is. So outside of the laundry room we be in the front of laundry room there is our kitchen from where we take food. So you can see this one I also show you before जब मैंने अपनी रमज़ान में सहरी एंड इफ्तारी की वीडियो बनाई थी. If you didn't see that video just click on the link that you see on the screen right side and I will also give the link in the description. So this is our mess staff and they all are so nice. They all are from Nepal and she is saying you hi because I'm telling them that I'm recording video and that's why. So these all are our kitchen and then move outside and there is let's go to upstairs. So finally I'm on upstairs and this is our study room, the peaceful environment to focus on your studies and your goals and fulfill your aims inshallah. So there is a table and chairs and यानी काफ़ी बड़ा है आप इजी होके रिलैक्स होके पढ़ सकते हैं नो वन विल डिस्टर्ब यू एंड मोर ओवर मैं आपको ओनली मेन थिंग्स शो ऑफ करवा रही हूँ बट इफ़ आई विल यानी मैं आपको सारे हॉस्टल का रिव्यू देना शुरू कर दूँ तो इट विल बी टेक मोर देन 1 hour. So यानी जस्ट वांट टू मेक इट शॉर्ट. सो देर इज़ ऑल्सो अवेलेबल आवर प्रेयर रूम टीवी रूम and market also available. So I just now showing you the main things. I will be record another part for the showing our market. So now I'm going to my room. My room is at the last of the hostel, the last room on upstairs 2 to 1. So let's go inside and see it. Let's go inside. This is my room. So let's open it. Sorry for I wanted to be don't want to disturb any other guy's privacy. That's why I'm just my camera is down. So this is my AC controller remote you can say and there are some instruction and if any new notification they will be put it here and this is for your safety. So the first bed is mine, so this is a refrigerator and with that there is mine bed and there is a side table and some few things because we have to be moved to the old hostel. So I just packed so many things and just few are left here. So this is my whole bed and in every room there are 5 bedrooms and 5 girls but I saw 2 or 3 rooms there are only 2 bedrooms because the room are so small but you will be comfortable here and alhamdulillah me also am comfortable. So there are also bed drawers if you want to put anything inside it. So there are my so many foodie things. So this is study table. On my study table there are just my calligraphy, my fruits, and this one I buy so many chocolates. These are my some motivational quotes that I just write, but I didn't focus on it. And all this is my bedroom, as you all see. And so these girls already moved to old hostel, and this one girl is traveled, and this one is already moved. So these are all are my things that I have to be packed. See, uh, even I have my things is limited, but still there are so many things that I have to be packed. So this is my first ticket that still I didn't remove my boarding pass. Inshallah I will be removed and I will be go back Pakistan, inshallah. So this is all my room view. You can see this one bedroom, side table, study table, chair, and refrigerator. In every room there is available refrigerator. Then there is so hot. So this is our cupboard for shoes. You can see. And here I just put my Quran Pak, and here are some bowls or any utensils you have. Oh, these are my books, Kullu Arabic. See, inshallah I will be fluent in Arabic inshallah soon. So this is our washroom side. You can see from here room door, and that side the washroom side. And you can see this is the cupboard of 5 cupboards for every girl, and the second one is my cupboard, and this girl is with me still here, but these 3 girls moved. And so move to the, you wanted to see washroom. So this is the washroom. I wanted to give you advice, when you are living in hostel, keep your things limited, because sometimes you have to be moved urgently. They just say you move down, and then what we will be do. So, and there is another surprise. This is the overview hostel view. I'm on the upstairs living. So this is, that is park, and I am at the end of the hostel, and my room on upstairs at the end. So that one is our university sided. You can see the university. So hope so you will like it, and alhamdulillah I'm comfortable here. I'm very happy here. So that's why I'm wanted to share these opportunities and these facilities with you. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember me in your prayers that Allah give me more success and more blessings, and you too inshallah. Jazakallah khair. Bye. Allah Hafiz.